Hi! To change wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A14, as a first step, we would need to go to our home screen. Here, hold our finger on any empty place until you'll get to this menu, and here, click on this button Wallpaper and Style. As a next step, here, choose Change Wallpapers, and on this tab, you'll be able to find a lot of suggested Samsung wallpapers, which are, for example, the colors or graphical, and also featured. But if you would like to choose picture from your gallery, here we got this special tab named Gallery where you can choose the folder Recent or Camera. By clicking on the Recent, I got here the only photo which is black, and by clicking Done, we would be able to set it as our wallpaper. Here, as a next step, you would need to choose where to apply, on home screen, lock screen, or both, but I would like to leave it only on the home screen. So now we click Next, and on the next tab here, we would be able to add some frame, as you can see here. So for example, let's leave the heart. Then we can also add some effects. Unfortunately, on the black color we won't be able to see almost any difference, but here is it how it looks with original color on it. So now let's click back, and after you are done with the frames, effects, zooming in, here we click Done. And this is it, we have successfully set a new wallpaper. You can see it right here. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.